Here we are at Kuskokwim Custom Creations, and today, what are we doing, Sailor?
Using electric powers to burn this.
Alright, we
have
got a
power.
slab of wood that came from a burl. It's approximately 2 inches thick. About that much bigger than my own hand.
So what we're going to do, we're going to place these two prongs, let's say here and here, and then...
There and there?
Then watch.
Well, what about this stuff?
First you have to douse it in the magic juice.
Magic juice. Whoa, that's too much magic juice.
Whoopsie.
You used all my magic juice.
I'm sorry.
All the sorries in the world ain't gonna bring back my magic juice.
It's literally water and baking soda.
Oh, okay then.
That was also an accident.
Well, it looks like you sure meant to pour it all on there.
No.
Uh-oh, now we have power.
Now we have power.
Now we have power here.
Watch.
Hold on, I don't want to even be close. Just wait. What is that thing?
That is a pedal. We use that to send electricity to the power box from a microwave, and we use the high voltage end to send electricity into these two prongs, which inevitably electrocute the wood.
Well, let's show them what that looks like.
Done and done.
And now I'm going to step back.
Clear?
Clear.
Yeah.
It's a hard wood. It didn't soak any of the moisture. Clear?
Clear. We're doctors. We're reviving this, even though it was never truly alive.
It was green.
It was green. It was green once. Just to let you guys know.
Clear.
Tomorrow, Sunday, let's just say 1 o'clock.
Clear.
Okay, never mind then. Whoa! That is so weird. You're like Science Guy. Science Guy and Science Child.
Yep. Pretty cool.
Science! Science! Live! Live! It's alive! I'm joking. It's not alive. Pretty sure we're killing it more. Fire! Fire! Oh, smoke. Oh, smoke everywhere. Oh. Why smoke? Fire! Oh, wow. That's black smoke. Ashy black smoke. Ring around the rosy, pockets full of posies. Ashes, ashes, fall down.
Clear.
Clear. Oh.
And let's unplug.
No power.
Powerless. Disconnect.
Okay. What time are we gonna be doing? What time are we gonna be doing something tomorrow?
Turn the garden hose on for me.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna stand clear so I don't get soaked. This is what we did earlier on our live stream, which
Yeah, we had a little bit of fun on our live stream too, but this one has some really nice marking to it.
so that for a whole $0, we're keeping it and putting it on our table. Okay, so
That's really cool how they almost reached right there.
yeah, then got disconnected. It looks like it's just so beautiful. It's like a painting. So, are we gonna live stream tomorrow?
We will do some more of this with some live streaming. We have extra pieces of wood to burn still. We're also going to get into some finishing work on a few of these, do some furniture.
So, what time are we doing that?
We'll do it, I don't know, 6:28 p.m. Republic of China time.
No.
Oh, I don't know, let's say 5:30 then. 5:30
tomorrow.
Sunday, June 2nd. See you then.